So if you want to see how I do both edited and unedited makeup look using only affordable products, everything I use is budget friendly and easy to get. Let's glow up together without breaking the bank, okay? And see how gorgeous it is testing different products. Okay, so this is Get a Creep by Blossom Primer. This is, you don't need to break a bank to get this primer. Like you said, you're looking for a an affordable primer. Okay, so this primer, and you're looking for primer that will control oil and shine. This primer is formulated to help control oil and shine. It prevents a velvetic matte finish. Okay, it reduces the appearance of pores, like so many persons that have acne pores and all that, and it helps keep makeup in place all day without even creasing. Okay, so it's a mattifying primer. It's so beautiful, keeps your makeup intact without no excess oil on it. Okay, so it absorbs the oil. And you know, before you do your makeup, normally if your eyebrow is bushy or is so unkept, normally you have to clean up the excess of the eyebrow, make it very sharp and maybe natural somehow. So we would just want to make it natural because normally she doesn't draw eyebrows. So she's the model we're using to test some new products that people are coming to buy, showing that the product is good and they can get it and is affordable. So we are in Makeup Bar, and Makeup Bar sells affordable products and they are good products. They are original products, so you can get it for yourself, you can get it for your friends. So we're just showing you that this, you don't even need to do too much. Okay, so with this primer, it helps other products to stay in place. So the good thing is that when your primer is sticky or tacky, it's going to help your foundation and other products to creep onto the skin, making them last longer and reducing slappage throughout the day. So you can see how sticky it is, even holding a comb. So we're using Adventure foundation. I think we had a client that want to get this foundation and we want to try this foundation on her. So this is my first time using this foundation on her or testing this foundation on her. I haven't tested it yet on myself. Hope is going to give me a good coverage though. It feels lightweight on our skin and I think it's going to last all through the day. From what I can tell so far, the texture looks smooth and the shade seems like a good match, but I will know more of after applying it. And you can see I'm not even using beauty sponge. So I was trying to use my hand to see if it's really going to blend well without using beauty sponge. Although I'm still going to go in with my beauty sponge, but let me use my hand and apply the whole foundation all over my face and see how it's going. So I'm using this lighter concealer to conceal, to highlight the under eyes. All the products we're using here is from Makeup Bar. Okay, because if you want to buy makeup and you're not sure of the makeup you're buying, then we have maybe a similar skin tone of what you're going to buy, and the person is actually at this shop. So we're going to test the product you're going to buy, we're going to test it for you, so you can have full assurance that okay, what I'm getting is exactly what the results I'm hoping to see. Okay, so we still have the same, she was getting this eyeshadow, yeah, that contains lot of colors, lot of colors. Even the Micolor, which is the powder, the highlighter, because she was looking for a powder palette that contains all the colors, the highlighter, the skin tone color, the caramel, the fair skin. Okay, so we use that same Micolor powder for everything, for the highlighter, for the skin color, for the skin prep, for the skin powder, for everywhere. That's what we use. We do not even use setting powder, extra setting powder, or do we use translucent powder? No, we did not. Everything was from the palette. The eye pencil, we didn't use the fresh new eye pencil that she got. We used the eye pencil that have been at the store there, because it's still the same eye pencil. Okay, to show her how beautiful and how lightweight it is, that you can actually use the eye pencil to achieve this natural eyebrow without taking it, because she was looking she's looking for eye pencil that can actually give her this natural brow that looks like you feel it but you're not feeling it. Okay, just stroke it and stroke it and stroke it and you get exactly what you're looking for. So that's the, well, you know, that's what we are really playing out here. okay, to show her that exactly what she's getting, what she's buying is exactly what she's going to get. It's going to play out the same results. Okay, so we're still using, she didn't get eyeshadow primer, so I had to use the concealer to form as a eyeshadow base. Okay, so we're using concealer to create this eyeshadow base, and from this concealer, that's what we're going to use to hold up eyeshadow. Okay, so we're just trying to, I'm trying to create this dramatic eyeshadow with our eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so I go in with the crease eyeshadow to contour the crease, I think I'm using kind of orange color. Okay, to contour the crease, contour, and I blend, keep blending, because I think I'm gonna use red shimmer, black, and all that. All this while I've not been using filter, but I think I'm adding filter here for you to see the difference between the unedited one and the filtering one, the one I've added my filter. So immediately I finish contouring the eye, the creases and everywhere in the eyelid, I go in with that same concealer I used to highlight her under eyes. I'm using that same concealer to conceal her eyebrow, okay, to clean it and make it look very neat and flawless, very snake, looking, you know. So the eyebrow looks natural, very natural. You can see what I drew in there. You see what I drew in there. So everything just looked perfect and beautiful. Perfect and beautiful. And this is the outcome of it. You can see the unedited. So it's not far from the edited one, and it's not far from the unedited one. The foundation is fine, the concealer is fine, the primer is fine, everything is just beautiful. You can see how smooth the makeup is. You can see how gorgeous it is. Okay, this lip combo, I stole it from Nikki. I saw Nikki melting this lip combo together, so I was like, okay, let me just do it for her. Okay, so we did it and it works. She was using dark brown, red, pink, and sharp red. So that's what I'm going to use for her to create this beautiful lip combo. So the dark brown we used was Huda Beauty. That was the name. So this second, which is the red we're using, is still Huda Beauty. Then I'm still going to use pink. Yeah, that pink is from Makeup Bar. Then this pink is from Makeup Bar. Then, but the Huda Beauty, they're still Makeup Bar that are selling it, but the pink is produced by the Makeup Bar. Okay, and the pink is so beautiful. But we're going to highlight it with the red. I think this red lipstick is bomb. My goodness, is bomb. So beautiful. I love it. I forgot the name. I can't tell. But we made a mistake for this lips. This lip has a mistake by the downside. We didn't really line it perfectly, so it was shifting one side. I don't know, forgive us please. But after all, the lady that wanted to buy the makeup bought everything because she was so pleased with the outlook. She was so pleased with the foundation, the primer, the setting powder, the highlighter. Okay, we didn't use setting powder. We used setting powder from this powder palette. So she was so pleased. She was so happy. She was joyous that she came to the right place, and she didn't really get fake at all. So Makeup Bar sells the original makeup. You can always patronize them, and I think they have the affiliate side that you can buy online. So if you want to get it, okay, thanks darling. So if you love the way I'm showing these makeup products, and maybe you want to get any of them, or you love the video, please give me a big thumbs up, baby, and support my brand by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love me. I love you. See you in my next video. I'm gonna drop Another video I'm gonna drop. You remember the lady I sprayed her hair, the hair was paining her. Mind you, she just had an appointment with me and she's coming to make her hair. So I'm dropping that video tonight or tomorrow. See you in my next video. One love. I love you. Mwah. I'm using this gorgeous lip gloss to add extra shine and extra beauty to the lips. I know how gorgeous this can be. You know how uplifting this lip gloss is going to uplift her face and it's going to make her look so gorgeous. So super beautiful.